So you just connect up a head unit to your E36. This is a 94 325i, but it might apply to many models. And you've got power on the amp but no sound. The solution is very simple. Despite using this harness and adapter and nonsense, you still got no sound. Well, basically I cut that wire from the harness of the car, which despite it connecting to the adapter, it didn't do anything. From your harness that connects to the head unit, there'll be a loose blue wire. That's remote and that powers the amp in the trunk. So I just joined those up and now we have sound. Thanks for watching.